All right, welcome to this quick explainer. Today, we're tracking the complete life cycle of an insurance claim. We're going to follow it from that incredibly stressful first phone call all the way to final closure. So what actually happens after you file? Let's dive straight into this rapid-fire roadmap because behind the scenes, processing a loss is actually a highly structured 7-stage machine. Here is exactly how it works. Stage 1 is the first notice of loss, or FNOL. You can think of this as ground zero. Whether you're making a quick phone call or tapping through a mobile app, this initial notification is what officially triggers the whole claims timeline. Immediately after that FNOL comes Stage 2, claim assignment. The file gets triaged and then routed to a specific adjuster. They basically take full ownership of the case, acting as the navigator for the rest of the journey. Then, Stage 3 brings us to claim adjudication. Now, this is where the insurer really puts the file under a magnifying glass. They're verifying coverage, determining liability, and making absolutely sure the loss perfectly aligns with the actual policy conditions. Okay, with coverage confirmed, we move on to reserving those funds. And this isn't just basic math, it's a completely critical financial safeguard where the insurer legally sets aside the exact amount of capital they expect to eventually pay out. Stage 5 is evaluation and negotiation. This right here is the major turning point. It's where the actual financial value of the loss is carefully weighed against the policy, and settlement terms are firmly established with the claimant. Now, often running concurrently with all this are recovery efforts, something like subrogation. Basically, if a third party was actually the one at fault, this is the phase where the insurer aggressively tries to recoup their costs to protect their bottom line. And finally, we reach claim closure. This is the moment where all financial and legal obligations are totally resolved. The settlement is paid out, and that file is officially stamped closed. The whole shebang is resolved. So this 7-stage roadmap literally drives the entire insurance industry today. But, looking at just how sequential and step-by-step it all is, it really leaves us wondering, could this entire procedural journey be fully automated next? Thanks so much for checking out this explainer, and keep learning.
Thank you for watching the Quick series from www.insurer.com. Please like and subscribe to our videos for you to get notification when we upload new videos.